Making a good cup of coffee is far from complicated when you have this bean-to-cup coffee maker at home. Jamie here, so excited to talk about the Delonghi Dinamica Plus. With the Delonghi Dinamica Plus, you can choose from a wide variety of your favorite coffee beverages like espresso, cappuccino, coffee, even a latte macchiato, and the list goes on. And that's all at a touch of a single button. Let's take a look at the parts of the Delonghi Dinamica Plus. You have the water tank right over here, which is easy to pull out and easy to put back in as well. As you can see, you also have the water spout right over here. If you want hot water, this is what you use. Now here you have the instant frothing device or the latte crema system, which is amazing for your favorite milk-based beverages because it makes sure you have the perfect foam, density, and temperature once again when it comes to your milk-based beverages, and it's until the very last drop. Now what is frothing anyway? It is the mixture of milk, air, and steam. Now as you notice, I pulled out the water spout. This is also where you place your instant frothing device. Just push it right back and it is connected to your Dinamica Plus. Now, where do you put your beans? This is the bean hopper and you just lift this up. This is where you put your beans. Now, if you prefer pre-ground coffee, don't worry, you can do that as well. This is where you place your pre-ground coffee. Now, once you seal that and once you put beans in, we haven't yet, mind you, then you can start making different beverages. What can you choose from? You have an espresso, a cappuccino, coffee, latte macchiato, long cappuccino, doppio for those who love their coffee strong, a cappuccino mix, cafe latte, flat white, hot milk, espresso macchiato, hot water, coffee pot, and 2 times espresso. Now, if you take a look at the color display right over here, you see profile 1. Now, what is that all about? Press this icon over here that looks like a person, and you get to choose profile 1, 2, or 3 plus guest. And that basically means you can manage profiles. So if you have 3 individuals at home who have different preferences, you can name these profiles after these individuals and save your preferences when it comes to each of the beverages I mentioned earlier on. Plus guest, amazing, right? Now, another amazing thing about the Delonghi Dinamica Plus is you can connect this with the app called Delonghi Coffee Link. You can calibrate and extract your coffee using the Coffee Link app through your mobile phone. This is why the Dinamica Plus is amazing. For this video, let's make an espresso, a coffee, a cappuccino mix, and for those who love iced coffee drinks, let's also make an iced caramel macchiato. Let's get started. Now, we will start with an espresso. And the coffee dispenser here is adjustable. So if you have a small glass like this, just pull it down. And as I mentioned earlier, it is at just 1 touch. So just press espresso and in less than a minute, you'll have it. That is our first drink for the Dinamica Plus, our espresso. Let's move on to a cup of coffee. All right, let's use this glass. Again, adjust your coffee dispenser and let's look for coffee. It's right over here. Again, at 1 touch, just press this and you'll have your coffee. It smells so good. I'll show you what happens if you choose to stop it. It's almost done anyway. There you go. It stops. If that's enough for you, you can opt for that. Now let's move on to our third drink, which is cappuccino mix. And for that, we need our instant frothing device. Before that, let's pull out this water spout. Then let us use our latte crema system. Again, for the perfect foam, temperature, and also density, this does the trick. Again, adjust your coffee dispenser. Now, what is the difference between a cappuccino and a cappuccino mix? For a cappuccino, you have milk that goes out first and then your espresso. For a cappuccino mix, you have your espresso first and then your milk. And even if the difference seems trivial, there is a difference in the taste. But anyway, let us look for that option, cappuccino mix. So you have your cappuccino that's stronger, and a cappuccino mix. All right, let's press this right over there. You'll have your cappuccino mix. The froth level is at its highest, by the way, which is recommended for a cappuccino. And there's your cappuccino mix. Now, there's a reminder here for you to clean it. You can escape that for now, and you can do it once you're done doing all your drinks. What's next? As promised, let's make something for those who love iced coffee drinks. And for this video, we'll make the iced caramel macchiato. All right, for that you need, of course, your caramel sauce, which is already prepared right over here. You also need ice, milk, and an espresso shot using our Dinamica Plus. So let's add ice to our caramel sauce and add milk. Now, it is recommended that for an iced caramel macchiato, you add 70% of milk. Let's move on to our espresso shot. Adjust your coffee dispenser once again. Let's pull this out, just so it's out of the way. And again, at a touch of a button, just choose espresso. That looks so good. All right, now once you have your espresso, pour it over your caramel sauce, your milk and ice. And that is how you make iced caramel macchiato. Easy breezy. Again, with the help of your Dinamica Plus, you can have this quality from the comfort of your home. And you don't even have to limit yourself to the drinks that you see on the screen or this iced caramel macchiato as we showed you, because you can be as creative as you want to be as long as you have your own recipes or you know of other recipes. Then using these options over here, you can have the best drinks once again at your home. That's the Dinamica Plus. I mentioned it at the onset of this video too. It's so easy to clean, which is really great for personal use because all you need to do really is pull out this tray, and you have the ground coffee tray right over here. And you see the ground coffee, and you just have to throw this out once it's full and rinse it. You also have your drip tray over here, which has the liquid that is being dispensed from your spouts, either the water spout or the coffee dispenser. And once it's full, again, you also can just get rid of the liquid and rinse it too. Aside from that, like Delonghi's many other amazing machines, you can clean the brewing unit yourself. How do you do that? Let me show you how. Pull out the water tank and you'll see there open. Pull that and you can see your brewing unit. Just press the red parts on the sides and you can detach your brewing unit and rinse that. So easy to clean, so easy to make your favorite beverages. That is the Delonghi Dinamica Plus. If you want more information about this wonderful coffee maker, check out the link below. Remember, a Delonghi product will always turn the everyday into something special. Delonghi, better every day. That's it for this video. Till next time.